Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that many of you have been asking. When does fat burning start during intermittent fasting? You might have heard the standard answer of 6 to 12 hours, but we will deeply dive into this to uncover the fascinating science behind it. So, grab your notebooks because you're about to gain valuable insights. Before we get into the details, let's understand the transition from a fed to a fasted state. In the fed state, our body is busy processing the recently consumed food. This is where fasting blood tests come in, allowing us to measure baseline levels of critical markers like glucose, triglycerides, and insulin. These tests provide crucial information about our metabolic state. Contrary to a common misconception, fat burning is an ongoing process that never truly stops. Even during fasting, our body continues to burn a mixture of fuels. The goal is not to halt fat burning, but to uncover when fat becomes the primary fuel source, mainly if you aim to target belly fat and body fat. Let's talk about the percentages of energy we derive from different fuel sources. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins each contribute to our energy supply. Now, there's a catch here. Some dietary misconceptions need debunking. For instance, the belief that a low-fat diet is the key to weight loss or that eating high carbs is sustainable. Have you ever wondered about your fasting blood glucose levels? It's crucial to understand that the amount of glucose floating in your bloodstream is limited. Imagine, at a fasting level, you might only have about 1 teaspoon of sugar circulating in your blood. This fact might surprise you, considering the quantities of carbs and fats we consume. To illustrate the impact of meals on our blood glucose levels, let's consider a typical breakfast. Picture a bowl of cornflakes, toast with jam, orange juice, and coffee with some sugar. As you consume carbohydrates, your blood sugar levels shoot up. But wait, our body has a remarkable system to prevent extreme spikes in blood sugar levels. It's like a safety valve, ensuring we don't have life-threatening blood sugar levels. It's often said that glucose is the preferred fuel source for our bodies. But think of it this way, when you notice a fire in your house, your priority is to put out the fire, right? Similarly, in times of need, our body prefers glucose as an immediate energy source. However, this doesn't mean it's the most efficient or healthiest option in the long run. A fascinating shift occurs as we transition from carbohydrate to fat burning. When glycogen levels decrease, our body relies more on fat for energy. This shift is crucial for those on a low-carb fat diet, as they're already accustomed to burning fat due to limited carb intake. Speaking of low-carb, high-fat diets, these diets are designed to optimize fat burning. With reduced carb intake, the body naturally turns to fat for fuel. This is a crucial feature of these diets. Burning dietary fat and stored body fat becomes more effortless due to the absence of excess carbohydrates. Now let's address the question likely on your mind. When does the body start burning stored body fat? The answer lies in creating a calorie deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume, which prompts the body to utilize its fat stores for energy. However, remember that hormones play a role in where our body stores fat, so addressing factors like stress and insulin resistance is essential. Sorry to burst the bubble. There's no magic trick to target specific areas of fat like belly fat. The distribution of fat is influenced by hormones, particularly cortisol and insulin. To reduce belly fat, focus on reducing stress levels and improving insulin sensitivity through dietary and lifestyle changes. The foundation of fat loss lies in creating a caloric deficit. But here's the exciting part. You gain better control over your hunger and appetite with stable blood glucose and insulin levels. Opting for nutrient-dense natural foods instead of processed options also helps prevent overeating. Longer fasting periods can be a game changer if you've hit a plateau in your fat loss journey. Extended fasting forces your body to tap into those stubborn fat stores for energy. But remember, electrolytes are essential during fasting to support your body's functions and make the process more comfortable. There you have it. Our journey into understanding fat burning and intermittent fasting has been quite enlightening. Remember, the key is not just to burn fat, but to do so sustainably and healthily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.